Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's get acquainted. My name is Ina. I'm a professional Russian teacher. I have graduated from Moscow State University and I have been teaching the Russian language since 1992. My channel is going to be useful, interesting and suitable for anyone who just starts learning Russian, who wants to speak proper Russian, and for people who already speak, to practice grammar, to improve their vocabulary and to improve speaking skills. As you know, Russian grammar is rather complicated, but I will do my best to make it good for you. So, if you have any questions about the Russian language, feel free to ask me in your comments. I will be glad to answer your questions and help you. So, let's get started. The first lesson is going to be about the greetings, not the Russian alphabet. The Russian alphabet is going to be later. So, we have some ways to say hello. Hello is rather formal, and in Russian it sounds Здравствуйте. 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 It would be good if you repeat after me. Здравствуйте. This one you could use any time of the day, in the middle of the day, in the morning, and even at night, just to see the person. But it's rather formal and can be used talking to one person in a formal way or to a group of people. So, the next one is hi, which is informal. That one in Russian sounds привет, привет, привет. Just repeat after me. Привет. This one we use when we see the person not for the first time, when we know the person. You can use it to a child for the first time. For example, it's a small boy or a small girl playing in a sandbox, and you can say привет, or even talking to a pet dog or a cat. So the next one, what I would like to tell you is good morning, which in Russian is доброе утро, доброе утро, доброе утро. Just repeat after me. Доброе утро. The next one is good afternoon, which is добрый день, добрый день, добрый день. Please repeat after me. Добрый день. In Russian, добрый день we normally use until it's getting dark outside. So, for example, in winter time when it's getting rather early, and for example it's 3:30 p.m., we already start saying добрый вечер, добрый вечер, добрый вечер. One more phrase which we are going to study today is how are you? We can say that как дела? Как дела? Как дела? Please repeat after me. Как дела? Now we're going to combine. Привет. Как дела? Hi, how are you? Здравствуйте. Как дела? Hello, how are you? Здравствуйте. Как дела? Good morning, how are you? Доброе утро. Как дела? Добрый день. Как дела? Добрый вечер. Как дела? Normally Russian reply нормально. So let's see how it works in a short dialogue. Доброе утро. Здравствуйте. Как дела? Нормально. Привет. Доброе утро. Как дела? Нормально. So, answer the question, how are you? Russian prefer to say нормально, which means that's okay. Mentally Russian never say fine or very well. In a very good situation, when Russian people feel perfect, they could say хорошо. But you should understand, when Russian say хорошо, it means perfect. It means great, excellent, wonderful. It happens rarely. Sometimes, answering the question, how are you, Russian people can say не очень, which means not very bad, but close to that. So, как дела? Не очень. So one more point which you should know is, in some situation, in a real Russian conversation, you can get totally different reply to the question, how are you? Russian answer using some dirty Russian words. So it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye in Russian sounds до свидания, до свидания. It's to words, but when we pronounce, we link two parts and sounds like one. До свидания. Please repeat after me. До свидания. Informal, friendly way to say bye-bye is пока, пока, пока. Or we also can say пока-пока, like English bye-bye. If you are planning to meet tomorrow, we normally say до завтра, до завтра, до завтра. Please repeat after me. До завтра. Or simply, without promising anything, you can say see you. Увидимся, увидимся, увидимся. Please repeat after me. Увидимся. One more. We can say до встречи, до встречи, до встречи. So it's literally means see you next time. Please repeat after me. До встречи. And the last one, which I want you to know, is just давай. You probably already heard this Russian multifunctional word давай. So, finishing the conversation, we can just say давай, which means bye-bye. So, the next video, I'm going to give you the next material. I would like to teach you how to say my name is and ask your partner what's his or her or what's your name. To say where are you from, to say how old you are, and also to reply. And I'm going to refresh the previous material. So whatever we did today, we are going to practice next time in short dialogues. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and not miss the next video. If you have any questions about the Russian language, please ask me. I will be happy to answer you. Thank you very much. I hope you like it. До свидания.